My neighbor is playing with his daughter some basketball. So hopefully you don't get too distracted by a kid playing with their father. But on today's sales stat Sunday. Oh, hi. Welcome. If you're new here, my name is Shelly. I'm the owner of Essence by Ellie. I make candles, soaps, all the smell goods for your home and body. So if you want to know what sales I got this week, please consider subscribing to my channel. I'll be greatly appreciative. So today's sales stats Sunday. Your girl hasn't been on social media as much. That week's been a really trying week on me, getting accustomed to having the kiddos by myself, working, business, communicating with Airbnb, a lot of communication, working with people, working with people who are going to help my brand work on its own marketing, etc., and redoing my website. So all these things came into place this week. And I work in a school, and as you know, certain websites or web browsers are not accessible when you work into a school. So I would have to use my cell phone at times, and yeah, to use my own internet browser to make it work. And sometimes that's difficult, especially if things occur. And this particular week, something did occur at work. And yeah, if you're a nurse, you know paperwork and documentation had to be done. So it wasn't as eventful as I would have hoped it would have been. But nonetheless, we still got sale. So I'm gonna put the week up here because I don't remember. I want to say it's probably like the 16th to the 22nd, but I'm probably wrong. So I'll put the date up here. So on this week, we got zero on our website. We didn't get any sale on our website this week. So on our in person, we got one sale, y'all, one sale, and it's the same customer that ordered the prior week, ordered the following week, and they actually ordered a car diffuser. So if you don't know, we make car diffuser. They sent your car, kind of like how a weed diffuser will, but for your car. So you can check us out if you're interested at essencebyellie.com. Wholesale, we got zero as well, and for Etsy, we also got zero. So it's okay because I would have felt a little bit down if I was like going hard on social media, but I wasn't really going hard on social media. I was like feeling more like I needed to get things done around the house, thinking about moving things around in the house, getting a better flow, communicating with Airbnb, planning how I'm gonna move all my crap out of the Airbnb space. So actually today, which is the 30th, because I do my videos like behind. So what I mean is my sales that Sundays is like 2 weeks prior, right? But today, March 30th, I have an Airbnb guest staying. So I had to like plan accordingly to clean to yesterday and today. So it's almost 48, I would say 36 hours of me like organizing my workspace and figuring out where things are going to be. that main work area, my two main work areas are like really crappy right now. They got boxes, they got all my supplies, oils, fragrance, all that stuff is in there. I made it so I can walk around, but if sales ain't coming like I would want them to, I have to open up my Airbnb to have some type of supportive income. So with that being in mind, this week that we're in, like I'm saying the 30th, but the week before, mad sales. So stay tuned. I got a lot of sales. Plus that week is the week where I have my subscription box. Saying please continue to subscribe and figure out what's going on, because next week's sales stat Sunday is gonna be amazing. I can't believe how much, even though I still haven't been on social media promoting as I usually have, my especially, I'm gonna hint to you guys, my in-person customers came out and supported, right? They came out and supported. And to tell you guys, the reason why I'm doing these videos is for me to be accountable, and for me to show that I am a person, I am real, I am making these products. People are coming back for a reason, in person or online. I have the in person that I have for the week I want to talk about next week. I don't know if I met this person or if it's a word of mouth person, but this person I've never ordered from my website. That doesn't mean that this person haven't met me and repurchased, okay? So I have to keep that also in mind. This is why I tell you guys to go to these markets, even though me, myself, I'm trying to deviate from markets. And I did get a contact information for another free market, which I am going to attend. I have provisions in place, so I will be okay in this event. So it's free. I'm going to go. If I make $1, I'm going to be happy. If I don't make any money and I market, I'm going to be fine. My plan is to bring my samples with me just in case, because it is a free event. And if I can market myself in a way where I'm giving something for free and somebody might like the scent, whether it be the body butter, the candle, whatever I'm giving away for free with my card is what I'm going to do. I should show you, because it is the event. Don't quote me. I think it's the April 12th and 13th. You just reach out to me via Instagram, and I'm so excited. And I know it's another small business of mine, my one of my besties small business, that did recommend my company for this event, and it's local, so I don't have to go that far. So I am excited, and it is in a very touristy area. So I'm excited for that. I think I'm gonna vlog a little bit of it. So I figure I'll switch a little bit up. So yeah, so for next week, please like, share, subscribe, because I'm so excited for the following week, sales stats Sunday. And guys, it is colder at this angle, but I'm gonna deal with it because you guys like when I switch things up. So, yeah, I'm excited to go to this free event. Oh, and I did oh, and I did reach out for a Mother's Day candle making party, and it's May 4th. So we'll see. They just got back to me as I'm about to record this video. I saw the I saw the email flash across, and I was like, oh, okay. So May 4th, I'm gonna start promoting it more on Facebook because I believe Facebook is more a community base, a close knit. So I'm gonna promote this on my Facebook page. And if you don't know, my Facebook page is Essence by Ellie. So follow me over there as well. So I'm gonna promote it more over there. I am gonna do it also on my Instagram. Instagram is Essence by Ellie underscore co. But I'm really gonna be pushing it more on Facebook. Like I say, it's more for the local community based this Mother's Day candle making event. I'm so super excited. The last one had snow, and I believe that nobody really was gonna come for that. So yeah, we reschedule it. So I'm excited for May 4th. So if you're local to me in the Poughkeepsie, New York area, come stop by. I'll still take you. I'll still figure out a way to make it work for you. It will be by the waterfront. So the Hudson River waterfront on Main Street. So stop by, check my website out. I'll have the details there soon. Soon. So stay tuned for that. Yeah, that's all I have to say, guys. I hope you guys have a good day or good night whenever and wherever you're watching this. Okay. Bye bye, bestie.